Well, as I say, I strongly disagree with this decision of the Supreme Court. I have utmost respect for our judiciary. I don't think this was the right decision. I think that the prerogative of prorogation has been used for centuries without this kind of challenge. It's perfectly usual to have a Queen's speech. That's what we want to do. But more importantly, let's be in no doubt, there are a lot of people who want to frustrate Brexit. There are a lot of people who basically want to stop this country coming out of the EU, and we have a parliament that is unable to be prorogued, is unable to, doesn't want to have an election, and I think it's time we took things forward.
You say you won't extend Brexit, but how do you avoid doing that now? You've run out of options.
Well, on the contrary, the law, as the law currently stands, the UK leaves the EU on October the 31st, come what may. But the interesting thing, the exciting thing for us now is to get a good deal, and that's what we're working on. And look, I'll be honest with you, John, it's not made much easier by this kind of stuff in Parliament or in the courts. Obviously, getting a deal is not made much easier against this background, but we're going to get on and do it.
Okay, just finally, you say as the law stands, we leave on October the 31st. That's not true, is it? As the law stands, we cannot leave with no deal on October the 31st without the permission of Parliament.
As the law stands, we leave on October the 31st, and I'm very hopeful that we will get a deal. And I think what the people of the country want is to see parliamentarians coming together, working on in the national interest to get this thing done, and that's what we're going to do.